The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central Washington County until 1:15 p.m. At 12:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Potosi, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Potosi, Mineral Point, Old Mines, Lottie, Shirley, and Cadet. This includes the following state parks. Washington State Park. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
One tonight.